This is our entire plan for generating video using Google Veo. In first step, we will create concept and story, the story on which we will create video. In next step, we will create image prompts. These are the prompts using which we will create images. That images we will use for video generation. In third step, here we will prepare images to video plan prompts. Here what we will do, we will use the prompts which we have generated here for generating images. Now here in first step we will generate images using Nano Banana. Nano Banana is Google's model for generating images. In fifth step we will generate videos using Veo. Veo is Google's tool for generating videos. We will generate videos over here. And in sixth step we will combine all the videos that we have generated in this tab over here, and we will get a single video with all those videos assembled, combined or joined together. In seventh step we will add voice and audio mixing. Here we will just tweak the voices or voice levels as far we needed. If voice is low, then we will enhance that or increase the level of voice. Here in this eighth step, color pacing and fine adjustments. If we have some requirements for enhancing colors, saturation, redness, then we will do over here. And in ninth step, this is the final export step. If there is some problem or some enhancement required in the final video, then we will do it over here in ninth step. We are going to work. This is the story on which we are going to generate our video. First, we will use the story to generate images. Then, we will use that images to generate videos. So, if you want to come along with me or follow me, then you can pause this video and write it down the story by yourself. We are on the ChatGPT platform. Here, we will first generate image prompts. I will use thinking mode. I will enter this prompt. You can pause this video and enter this prompt by yourself. First, I will instruct it to act as a world-class prompt enhancer. Now it is acting as a world-class prompt enhancer. I am entering a prompt. You can pause this video and enter this prompt by yourself. I encourage you to follow along with me for best results. I will also copy the policies of image generation model. I will hit enter and it has started thinking. Now it will generate image prompts for me. I am on the Gemini platform. Here I have pasted the first image prompt. I have hit enter and the Nano Banana has generated first image for us. This is our first image. Looks pretty good. Now I will copy the second prompt. Here is our second prompt. This entire prompt is generated using ChatGPT in our previous step. I will paste this prompt over here and I will change the things which are required to be changed. I hit enter and now it will generate a second image for us. These images will be used to generate videos. Looks pretty good. Now we will generate our third image using this third prompt. These prompts are generated using ChatGPT. I will change this to the main prompt so we can generate images easily. It will generate a third image for us. Okay, we got our third image, and for our last image we will have this prompt number 4. I will copy this prompt till this and paste it inside Google Gemini. Looks good. No need to change. I will hit enter and it will generate a last image for us. We will use these all images to generate videos, and then we will stitch all those videos to generate final video. Looks good. We have all our 4 images. This is a place where we will generate our video generation prompts corresponding to all the image prompts that we have generated earlier. So I will prompt this. You can pause this video and enter this prompt by yourself. Now the ChatGPT will give us all the video generation prompts, all the 4 video generation prompts corresponding to all the 4 image prompts that we have generated earlier. Now we have our 4 video generation prompts. In next step we will generate videos. We are on the Gemini platform. We will copy this video prompt from here. These video prompts are generated using ChatGPT as we see earlier. I will copy this prompt. Let's copy this and paste it into the Gemini. I will erase this over here and write main prompt, so it will consider it as a main prompt. This is our negative prompt. I will just erase these things, and one more thing, I need to add the image that we have generated earlier. This image will act as a reference image for video generation. It is a good practice to provide image to the video generation model. It will generate the video around this image. So you must provide image, a reference image, if you want to generate a very good video. So keep in mind that I will use extra note that use this image visual for the given image. I will use video option, and everything looks good. I will hit enter and it will start generate video. Google View is not working, so we will use Grok, our second option. I have pasted our first prompt and I have selected image also. I will hit enter and Grok will give me images. I have selected this image. I will start generating video using this image. We are doing it because Gemini is not working and too many people are requesting, and my request is not accepted by Gemini. So I thought I will use Grok instead. So our first video is generated right now. I will save this and I will select this second prompt. From here I will copy it and paste over here. Now we will move ahead and click next. Now Grok will generate image for us. Okay, so it has generated 2 images for us. We need to select which image we want to use for image generation. I will use this image. Looks good and beautiful. Now it has started generating video for us. Boom, video is generated. It looks very realistic and so much fairy tale like science fiction. This is the video that I have created.